and welcome back to our channel. Today I come back with something good for you. Today I tell you about the financial jargons in investment cycles, which is debt versus equity. And now we are confused about debt and equity. And yes, it is obvious that people got stuck while talking about equity versus debt. In this video you can clear your doubt regarding this. So what do you think? What is debt or equity? So let's talk about it. So it's introduction time. What do you think? What is equity? And I'll tell you what is equity and debt. So company can raise capital by equity and debt. Equity refers to a stock or an ownership in a company. Buyers of company's equity become shareholder in that company. Shareholder can recoup their investment when the company's value increase or companies pay dividend to you. Buyers of a company debts are lenders. They recoup their investment in the form of interest paid by the company on the debt. Debt instruments are essentially loan yield payment of interest to their owners. Equities are inherently riskier than debt and have greater potential for big gains and big losses also. So the people, if you have a will to take the risk, you can get big profits also. Let's talk about equity. Mostly investors are hesitating to the equity market as they are afraid of losses. Equity markets are vulnerable to political, economic, national and global factors also. So one can either be an investor or a trader in equity markets. Any company issues share for the sake of raising the capital. When you buy shares of the company, you become a shareholder. As the company is poised to grow, the value of the share also increase in the due course of time. It is very essential to know when to hold and when to sell the stocks. Let's talk about debt. Debts market associate with low risk and comparison to equity market, and also debt market is assure regular income and capital preservation. Equity market is much riskier than debt, and it is because a shareholder of the company and you may receive profits of the company in the form of dividends. The refund from equity are also comparatively higher than debts instrument in the equity market. Shares are bought and sold also. Debt market is less riskier and equity market is more riskier. Let's talk about their comparison. So its meaning, what is debt? Fund owned by the company towards another party is known as debt, and it is a type of loan fund. There is some obligations in debt, and it is comparatively short-term funds, and the shareholder of the debt company is called lenders, and it is less riskier than equity. And the types of debt is term loan, debenture, bonds, etc., and the return you may get is called interest. And the nature of return is fixed and regular. You may get a fixed or regular income. Not mainly, but surely you may get fixed and regular income. So there is some collateral essential to secure loan, but funds can't be raised otherwise also. So let's talk about equity. And the fund raised by company by issuing share is called equity, and it is a type of own fund. The owner of the equity get ownership, and it is a long-term fund. The status of holder of equity is called proprietors, and there is so much high risk. And the types of equity is shares and stocks. The return may equity holder get is called dividend, and the nature of return it is variable and irregular. So there is no collateral required for equity. And so let's come about on the conclusion. So whether business take debt or equity financially depend upon the needs and requirements of the business. Debts and equity both are the solution that can solve your problem or the fund related problem of the business. So both debt and equity have their disadvantage and advantages. It is up to the owner to select which suit the best needs. Thank you. I hope you like this video.